Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Factbox spotlight shines on battling lawyers in Twitter Elon Musk dispute. Reuters, a Delaware judge on Tuesday set an October trial for Elon Musk dispute with Twitter Inc. NYSE TWTR over his $44 billion acquisition, which the billionaire is trying to scuttle. Here is a look at some of the key lawyers on both sides as the case heads up in Delaware's Specialist Court of Chancery for Twitter. Twitter lawyer William Savitt co-chairs the litigation department at elite Wall Street law firms Watchell, focusing on disputes in Delaware and elsewhere over mergers and acquisition, proxy contests, and other corporate dust-ups. Watchell was earlier part of a team that represented Musk and Tesla Nasdaq TSLA Inc. board in a lawsuit brought by Tesla shareholders over the electric vehicle maker's $2.6 billion acquisition of solar panel maker SolarCity. Court documents show Musk Watchell lawyers left the litigation in 2019. Watchell was also among the legal advisors on Musk's plan to take Tesla private in 2018. Wilson Sonsini Goodrich and Rosati, bread sellers of the Silicon Valley, founded Wilson Sonsini, firm specializes in litigation, oversaw corporate deals with a client list that has included Palantir Technologies, NYSE, PLTR Inc., Metal Inc., Nasdaq, MAT Stitch Fix Nasdaq, SFIX Inc., and Roku Nasdaq, ROK QINC. Like Watchell, Wilson Sonsini is no stranger to Musk and Tesla. The firm worked on the car maker 2010 initial public offering and has often represented company in court. For Musk, Quinn Emanuel, Urquhart and Sullivan, Alex Spiro, a white-collar defense lawyer at Quinn Emanuel, represented Musk in his recent bid to undo a United States Securities and Exchange Commission settlement over tweets about potentially taking his automotive company private. He also successfully defended Musk in the defamation trial over the tech mogul's 2018 tweet referring to a British caver who helped rescue an anti-soccer team as a pedophile. Spiro has represented several celebrity clients including Jay-Z, Bobby Shmurda, and Kendall Jenner. Musk is also represented by Quinn Emanuel partner Drew Rossman, a leader of the firm's New York office who has experience handling merger cases in Delaware. Scotty Arps, Michael Ringel, an advisor on corporate deals with Scannon, Arps, Slate, Meagher, and Flom, represented Musk as he crafted his agreement to purchase Twitter. Musk has also turned in the Twitter lawsuit to seek his partner Edward Michelletti in Delaware Chancery Court veteran with a client list that has included Activation, Blizzard Inc., Nasdaq, ATVI, Goldman Sachs Group Inc., NYSE GS, and JP Morgan Chase and Co. NYSE GPM. Wall Street ends choppy session higher with focus firmly on Fed. Reuters Wall Street's main indexes and the seesaw session higher on Monday as investors turn their attention to this week's policy meeting at the Federal Reserve and how aggressively it will hike interest rates. Even more so than the Ukraine war or corporate earnings, the actions of the United States Central Bank are driving market sentiment as traders try to position themselves for a rising interest rate environment. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq rebounded from logging their worst weekly percentage drop since June on Friday as markets fully priced and at least a 75 basis points rise in rates at the end of the Fed September 20 and 21 policy meeting, with the Fed funds futures showing a 15% change of a whopping 100 basis point increase. Unexpectedly, hot August inflation data last week also raised bets on increased rate hikes down the road, with the terminal rate for United States Fed funds now at 4.46%. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.